What's going on, everybody? Matthew here. This is my E46 ZHP. We're going to be doing a headlight restoration on it. We have a Meguiar's heavy duty headlight kit. I'm going to show you how I do it, a little bit of things I run into, see how it goes. Yeah, so come join me for the process. So this is the headlight restoration kit. This is Meguiar's one. I got the heavy duty because I feel like mine aren't in the best condition. They're not terrible, but I mean, they could be better. So I actually pop the hood really quickly. If I pop the hood, you can see the difference between how it's supposed to look and how it actually looks. So when you look at it just like this, it doesn't look much different on camera, but when you actually take the time to look at it, let's hope these look a lot better. I'm really excited to get this done. I've been wanting to do this for a while. These are just gross. First step, we gotta mask off all this painted areas around the headlight. And if you're doing it with your hood closed, the hood obviously, but I just opened the hood because I think it'd be easier.